Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Chainlink price prediction and Chainlink news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Chainlink in 2022. Altcoins with Chainlink down 60% from November highs. How are the investors making profit? The thrash of the bears has reached Chainlink as well, and its myriad of DeFi protocol integrations have not been able to save it either. In the while the market took to stop dipping, Chainlink already fell below its safe zone. Chainlink revisits the past. At the time of this report, 63.68% of Chainlink's 628.62k addresses were witnessing losses. Now, this might not be as big a deal in general since the entire market is observing losses. The consistent dips observed in the last 2 months certainly are to be blamed. But when it comes to Chainlink particularly, it is significantly worse, as this is the most Chainlink investors have suffered in over 3 years. The last time such a huge portion of investors was in losses was back in December 2018, when the figure touched 80.7%. Thus, the dejection is clearly visible in investors' behavior, since network-wide their participation has come down. Daily active users, which at their peak were averaging around 15 to 16k, were still keeping above 3k until the end of December 2021. However, halfway through January, this average dropped to 2.7k and currently stands at 2.2k. Although whales are known to be active players regardless of the prevalent market conditions, Link whales too have slowed down at the moment. Conducting transactions worth less than $400 million for a month now, it becomes evident that Link is playing by the bears' rules right now. Chances of escape? Chainlink's price action is slightly concerning, since the downtrend wedge has been stuck in closing in soon. Despite a few attempts to breach the long-term resistance, Link has failed to ride with the bulls. Fortunately, the price still stands far above the lower trend line of $13.30. Thus, giving Link some room to recover and attempt another breach. If the token manages to achieve a significant mark, the buying demand would eventually step in. It would also be a better time to opt for long trades. Analysis: Chainlink stands in a zone of supply. Can investors capitalize on this opportunity? Chainlink has been trading within a range since June 2021. While the lower timeframes offered both buying and selling opportunities, on the longer timeframes there have not been as many buying opportunities. Rather, the $28 and $19 areas have presented themselves as places to sell the coin at. In the past few weeks, Bitcoin has rallied from the $34,000 level to the $44,500 level, which saw Link bounce from the range lows to $19. Since June 2021, Link has been trading within the $35.50 and $13.45 levels, forming a range. Within the range, the 25%, 50%, and 75% yellow levels were marked, and have offered some resistance or support to the price. In early December, the price found some demand at the $18.90 area. This saw an impulse bullish move to $28, and in mid-January, the bears forced a move back toward the $13.50 range lows. At the time of writing, the price appeared to be headed back to these range lows. This was because the area where demand previously forced an upward move, from $19, was now retested as a resistance, and the price was rejected. If Link does reach the range lows, it would offer a good long-term buying opportunity in terms of risk to reward. On the daily chart, the RSI made a higher low while the price made a lower low. This bullish divergence could see a minor bounce, possibly as high as $16.30 or $17.30 levels. The CDV has formed higher lows since last July, a sign of buying volume being higher than selling volume in this time period. Yet, price action showed a bearish market structure. The CDV alone does not warrant a buy signal. The CMF moved back within the neutral area, showing capital flow did not favor either side at the time of writing. Even though the CDV was forming higher lows, the market structure remained bearish. The range lows presented a good area to buy Chainlink at, in terms of R. The lows of the 9-month long range could see a long-time horizon investors step in as buyers. Disclaimer: the findings of this analysis are the sole opinions of the writer and should not be considered investment advice. Chainlink investors need not worry about transaction fees, since blockchain Oracle network Chainlink has been creating a lot of buzz in the cryptocurrency industry lately. Primarily, due to the various partnerships it has entered into over the past year. However, it is necessary for blockchains to continue innovating and expanding in order to stay relevant, considering the number of rivals that are ready as replacements. To that end, Chainlink has now released an upgraded version of its Chainlink Verifiable Random Function, or VRF, on the mainnet. What's new? In an announcement for the same, the network noted that the VRF had by far received over 3 million request transactions from NFT projects and blockchain games. This upgradation, above all, is aimed at reducing the fee on these transactions by 60% compared to the V1. Apart from that, the VRF V2 will also offer enhanced subscription management, the ability to adjust gas limits, expanded block confirmations, and being able to request multiple random numbers in a single on-chain transaction, the announcement noted. Technical analysis. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. The Chainlink network is driven by a large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors, and more. The company focuses on ensuring that decentralized participation is guaranteed for all node operators and users looking to contribute to the network. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Chainlink.